Hi viewers, Namaskar. This is Shekhar and my YouTube channel is Astrology or Science. I have posted a lot of videos in Tamil in my channel for the benefit of viewers who can understand Tamil. For the sake of viewers who can't understand Tamil, I have attempted to record some videos in English, and this will be the first in a series of videos which are going to be in English. So if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And also, because I've started doing videos in English, any new subscribers, if you come and if you say that you have subscribed, I'm going to give free predictions of answering one question per new subscriber. Okay, in this video I've got a background of Tirukadayur, a temple in Tamil Nadu, where people usually perform their 60th, 70th and 80th birthdays, which is considered to be auspicious and for the longevity of a person. Hence that video would be in the background. So today's topic would be on, if you have got a malefic planet or planets such as Raghu and Kethu in the 5th house from ascendant, is the individual not going to have any children? Because there is a misconception that from ascendant, if the 5th house is inhabited by any malefic planets or Rahu or Ketu, the individual will not be blessed with any children. So in this video I'm going to explain how you predict kids and whether it is indeed right if malefic planets are present in the 5th house. Generally, 5th house from ascendant, which is also called Putrastan or Putrastanam, is considered to represent whether an individual will have children or no children. Also, delay in having children may also be the reason for delay in the marriage if along with the 5th house, the 7th house is also impacted. The presence of a malefic planet or planets such as Rahu, Ketu, Surya, Sun, Saturn, Shani or Mars alone does not indicate that the individual will not have children. This is a misconception that many people consider, and they generally do wrong predictions. To assess whether an individual will have children or no children, the following factors need to be considered. Number 1, planets present in the 5th house. Number 2, strength of the Lord of the 5th house. Number 3, conjunction of planets in the 5th house. Number 4, planets aspecting the 5th house, whether they strengthen the 5th house or further weaken the 5th house. Number 5, strength of Jupiter. Jupiter or Guru is considered to be the planet responsible for blessing an individual with children. As long as Jupiter is not severely impacted, such as conjuncted closely with Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Sun, etc., Jupiter will bless the individual with children. Some people think that if Jupiter is debilitated or in Nichastan, which happens in Makara, the individual may not have children. That is not entirely true. If Jupiter is malefic but still not weakened further by the presence of Rahu or Ketu or aspected by Rahu, Ketu, Mars, etc., Saturn, etc., Jupiter will still bless with children. In addition to all the above 5 that I have indicated, the strength of the ascendant Lord, which we call as Lagnadipati, is also very important. If the ascendant Lord is severely impacted, the individual will struggle for everything in life and also in terms of getting children. Last but not the least, the current Mahadasa and Bhukti that an individual is running is very important to decide whether an individual will be blessed with a child or have multiple children. If the individual is running favorable or yoga dasa and bhukti, after assessing all the above factors that I mentioned, all the 5 factors that I have described above, the possibility of having children, and also we can accurately predict when they will have children if all these are taken into consideration. Hence, mere presence of power grahas like Rahu, Kethu, Saturn, Mars, etc. in the 5th house, or aspecting of these planets to the 5th house, is not the only reason to say that the individual will not have children. Hence, if you want to know whether someone is going to have a child or children, it is always better that you approach a good astrologer who takes into consideration all the above factors and not merely the presence of a power graha in the 5th house. So, I've explained what are the factors that you need to assess. If you've got any doubts regarding this, please post your comments in the comment section. Also, post your comments on what type of videos you prefer for me to post in future. I also wanted to see whether I can post videos with examples of horoscopes, and if that would be helpful, please post your comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And as I have indicated in the beginning, any new subscribers, if you want to come and post your comment, and if you've got any questions, I'm willing to give answers for 1 question per new subscriber. Thank you. All the best. Bye.